It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in Area 51 with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a nice tonneau cover, as well you've got a line box, and there's clamps on the tailgate when it's down, and you also have the power release for that and many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And this is a map of downtown Detroit. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have nice all-weather mats on the floor. There's your electronic parking brake, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and tailgate release. There's a running board and grab handle that just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. On your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, as well as the menu. And I just hit the OK, so we're going to go back in to the menu here. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center here up top, we have a little cubby, auto stop start for less idle time, and I'm not in gear, but I'm just touching the camera, so this is giving me the view and where I am in space. So this is ahead of us. And then we're going to go back into the main menu, hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. And so right now we're in settings, and you see the little sidebar here, we have navigation, so you can toggle through here as well for different options. And then you can touch on what you want. So we're in audio, we're going to go into sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and Bluetooth. Navigation, the map will come up, the big map here, you can choose your destination. Then we have our settings, we can go in there, I just turned down the sound. And we've got our general, which has our measurements in there, as well as language, display. You can change the look of the display screen. You can dim it out if you want to. You've got your updates, connectivity, and so forth. So you just touch on what you'd like. And in your features, that's where your owner's manual, smart hitch, onboard scales, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. So you can just go in there. So for smart hitch, it's just telling you that it's not intended for trade, and then you have the quick setup and so forth for your smart hitch. So that is really helpful when you're getting ready to tow and you want to connect, and you just pick what you've got and away you go. And then when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see the backup camera view. So now I'm in gear, I'm actually in reverse. So we're seeing where we are in space. This is right out the back, center line, and then green, yellow, red is how close other objects or vehicles are to us. And I'm just going to put us back into park. There we go, volume and tuner. You've got your dual climate control, dual heated seats, AC and max AC. And you've got your front and rear defrost. The fan's right in the center here. Down below, we have a nice little cubby, USB-C and USB. And then you also have your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your 4x4 locking differential in the rear. And you're seeing that appear to the right of the menu. Press it again, it'll go off. And then just dial through for our drive mode. So there's normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and you notice the icons change as we go through. There's slippery, and then it's shifting in progress because we need that for the deep snow sand. And then we have our mud ruts, and you've got rock crawl. So as your weather conditions and your road conditions change, you need more or less traction on the road and control. You have it by going through this drive mode, and that was located right there. And then you have an automatic select shifter. You can also make this go right down, and it goes flat. This gives you a flat surface. And there's a couple of reasons why you might want to do that. You might want to work in this area and have it flat, but you can also get as an option an interior work surface, and it would fold right out and go over the top of this, so that's why your shifter would be down. You just bring it right back up. A couple of cup holders. Now this is a traditional console in the center here, so we just unclip it. There's a nice little bin, and you've got lots of room down below. Put items. And then off to the side is your 12 volt as well as 120 volt glove compartment. You've got the lower one is locking. This one releases from the top. Grab handle in the body. Auto dimming rear view mirror. You have your lighting controls as well as the power sliding window for the rear and your sunglass holder. 20-inch wheels. Black running boards, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates, and you have the body colored handle in the rear, as well the backup camera's just above that handle, and the LED light is to the right. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, all you have to do is double click the fob. It'll power it down, and right now, I think with the Tonneau, I didn't close it completely. There you go. And you're seeing it power down, so that's tailgate assist. It doesn't slam down, it goes down gently. Nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners as well as box link. Got this nice tonneau cover, and you also have a place to put clamps if you want to do a little bit of work back here. And then when you're ready, you just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's grab handles in the body and seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Simply lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, and that just gives you more room on the floor, and you have that nice all-weather mat that's made for easy cleanup. Then pull the tab when you want to bring the seat down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And this is the sport cloth. On the back of the seats are slim pockets. There's a couple of cup holders in the center. You also have your 12 volt located here. Each side has the air vent, and then there's a USB-C USB as well as a 120 volt. Grab handle on the driver's side, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Camera and sensors in the rear, tonneau cover, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.